This is room plow activity at Crest Agro. The room plow activity starts today, and we have 1,000 hectares to room plow before the end of this farming season. We will need more of the room plow in order to achieve this act. We need 4 of these to be working, and it's giving us average of 3 to 4 hectares per day. This is necessary in order to prepare the soils very well for high productivity of cassava. Room plow activity is a must in a virgin land for mechanization, especially cassava mechanization. Room plow activities ongoing at Crest Agro Farms Limited, Lokoja. My name is Tony Egba.